Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
I'm Chef Shipra Khanna and we are here to share with you a new recipe for every single school day, which is healthy and delicious too. So today I'm going to make beetroot kebabs for you. They're really healthy, delicious and so pretty that your kids would love to eat it. So let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So first of all, in a bowl, I'm going to add beetroot which has been boiled and mashed. It's full of vitamin B9 and it also helps you in building up your hemoglobin as well. And it's really delicious to eat. To this, I'm going to add boiled and mashed potatoes, boiled and mashed chickpeas, a little bit of salt, a little bit of chaat masala, a little bit of Amchoor Powder. I have here oats. These are normal plain rolled oats. They've been ground to powder, and ginger garlic paste. A quick mix. Now I'm going to add Kissan Tomato Ketchup to this, which will give a nice tomato flavor to the kebabs, which is much required. The pan is nice and hot. I'm going to add a little bit of oil and let it heat up. I'm going to add a little bit of oil on my palms and I'm going to shape it into small kebabs. Now I'm going to turn it around. We have to fry them until golden in color. Now you can see the kebabs have turned golden in color. This is when I'm going to take it out on a tissue paper. And now this is ready to go in the tiffin. I'm going to add some fresh papaya. And some dried fruits. So here we are, our tiffin is ready, and if you enjoyed this recipe, do subscribe to India Food Network, and I'll be back soon with yet another recipe and to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.